What up, Nick from Fisherman Source? Going to do another how-to here. How to tune a metal lip. These are back bay plugs. We have these in the store. It's one of the few custom plug builders we can get to supply us. Bobby's a great dude, serious fisherman, and a hard-working plug builder. And one of the nice things about his stuff is he makes tons of different metal lips. These are trollers, senior troller, junior troller. This is the Ely. This is the Big Wood. This is just a ridiculous plug. This is the Giant. It's like a 5-ounce plug, surface swimming plug. I got tuna hooks on it. This will get some big bites from some big fish. Little smaller fish under 18, 20 pounds have trouble eating it, but it gets some serious bites. Bobby's a big kayak guy, so all his stuff comes, you can see, or the line tie, better said, bent up. That's going to cause it to go deeper. We're going to get into that in a second. But basically all his plugs, except for his trollers, I tune differently so they swim shallower. Sometimes the trollers, you can see I have them bent up even more just to get a little more depth. But these are really the only ones. I don't really kayak fish much, but these are the only ones I'll bend up or leave how they come. But basically this one I've never fished. You can see it comes up. It comes out of the package bent up. All you have to do to get it to swim shallower is take your pliers. You don't want to ever bend the lip. You don't want to mess with the lip because that's going to mess up the swim. You take your pliers. You get a good firm grip of the hook eye. Make sure you're not bending the lip, and just bend it back down straight. So that's about straight. And you have to play around with it. That's the beautiful thing about metal lips. They have a great swim. They're big fish baits. They're big fish catchers. But they can do a lot of different things, and especially Bobby's. This plug can swim just under the surface or wake if you do it right. Bend it down a little bit past even and just really crawl it, and you're not in too much current. Or you could get this thing to swim 3, 4, 5, 6. I don't know. You have to ask Bobby however many feet down, but it's very versatile. It can do a lot of different things. Same here. This is the Ely. These are the Fisherman Source FS Scratch is the exclusive color, Fisherman Source color. As you can see, these ones have done some damage already last fall. But say you wanted to, for some reason, have this is the junior troller. For some reason, you wanted to have it swim not so deep. Again, the eye's bent up. You could see the angle of it right there. Just take your pliers, get a good grip. You want to make sure you're pretty flush, pretty parallel, and you're just gonna work it back. And again, it's variable. You got to play around with it, and you have to experiment. You got to go down to the water and cast them when you're not fishing, when you're not wasting time, and see what they do. Sometimes a millimeter, a centimeter of bend of angle can make all the difference in the world. But give that a try, and fish more metal lips because they catch big fish.